Forgotten username recovery failed on MX Technologies fix. If your attempt to recover your MX Technologies username keeps failing, you're not alone. Most people assume MX works like a traditional banking app, but the surprising truth is that MX doesn't store or manage your personal login credentials directly. It's the data bridge behind the apps you use. Let's break down what's really happening and how to fix it. MX Technologies powers financial connections for many banks, credit unions, and budgeting apps. So if you're seeing an error when recovering your username, it's likely because you're trying to recover it through MX instead of the financial institution or app where your account actually lives. Here's how to fix it. First, identify the app or bank that uses MX for your data connection. For example, apps like MoneyMap, Ally Assist, or other personal finance tools often rely on MX in the background. Once you know which platform you use, go to that platform's login page and click Forgot Username. Recover your credentials directly through them, not MX. If you're unsure which platform is connected, check your email inbox for past notifications or account setup messages mentioning MX. Those often reveal which partner app or institution is managing your access. Another common reason recovery fails is using the wrong email or phone number. Make sure you're entering the same details you used when you first signed up. If you've changed your contact information recently, that can block recovery attempts. Still stuck? Visit MX's official support site and contact their customer assistance team. They can't directly reset your credentials, but they can help you identify which institution or app holds your login so you can recover it properly. In short, if your forgotten username recovery failed on MX Technologies, it's not a glitch, it's just a misunderstanding of how MX operates. Remember, MX connects financial data. It doesn't manage your personal logins. Once you go through the correct app or bank, you'll have access again in no time.